Hi, if you're someone that runs Instagram ads or Facebook ads using Facebook account, you really need to watch this video. So a friend of mine sent me a message and that her Facebook account has been locked out. So here's what happened. She traveled out of Nigeria and then tried to access her Facebook account, and then she got this error message. Anyways, when she was back to Nigeria, she tried to access the same account and it took her to this page asking her to put in card details. And the unfortunate thing here is that she's using an ads agency to run her sponsored ads, and these guys don't even have the card anymore. Well, it took me a number of days, I think a week or two, with some resources, and costed her some money as well before I was able to get her back into her account. But here's why I'm making this video. If you're running sponsored ads, I recommend that you use prepaid ad account. Okay, set up your prepaid ad account, or whosoever managing it for you should set up a prepaid ad account for you. It's kind of safer these days. Then again, if you want to use postpaid, that is to put in your card details into the ad account, I highly recommend that you make sure that the card is well secured. Keep the card. Once the card expires, do well to change it immediately. This will save you a lot of issues in the future. Hi, my name is Stanley Chima, and do follow for more tips on running Instagram ads.